All right, so we finished Panther Rock, and we're gonna actually exit the park and get back on the highway to go around the other side of the mountain, hit another trail. But to get out of here, we're actually gonna go down another trail. If I remember, I think it's Trail 74. That's where Josh's park right here is at the very, very entrance to it. But we're gonna drop down in there, and then we're gonna have to follow that kind of around through the mountains, and then we'll pop out on the highway and head on down to the other side of the mountain so we can get on the other Badge of Honor trails. But we all had to stop here for a little bit of a break for just a second. But anyway, we're gonna hit on it and we'll see what we can see. Josh's motto: don't worry about the check engine light. Everything is fine. Welcome to Trail 26, Windrock. It is a muddy mess up here. The snow is like melting rapidly. I mean, look at Josh's Jeep, right? Ours, well, it looks white right there, but it's really not white anymore. But this is the entrance to Trail 26. And the water, let me see if I can pan down here. You really can't see it. The water is literally running down the trail because of the snow melting. But there's also some phenomenal views up here. Let's walk over here right quick and we'll flop the camera around. I'll show you what we see. You notice I'm like slipping and sliding here. I mean, it is muddy. Have I mentioned that I do not like mud? Okay. Yeah. See if we can get something out through the trees here. It is a little hard to see through the trees, but that is actually the town way down there at the very bottom of the mountain. I mean, the trail coming up here was like just steadily climbing. I mean, we're up here on the top of the mountain. Hopefully we can get a better view, the overlook today, but it's a long ways down there. I know it's hard to see on camera, but woo. This is our muddy messes. Talking about dropping down into the trail.
Yep. That's nothing like some of them out at Hidden Falls. One out of Hidden Falls.
I'm not sinking in. And it's like a river flowing down it.
Yeah.
Goes Providence getting her exercise again. I swear, we Jeep 7 miles and she walks 7 miles.
just edit that into your video.
No. Robert has a fetish with cooter cats. We're not exactly sure what a cooter cat is,
We found one, remember?
but nevertheless.
Fun times.
Cooter cat cross.
I probably could have went more straight that way.
Yeah.
I wonder if Rock Solid, what do they call it, Performance or whatever it is? Motorsports. I wonder if they've done stuff out here.
I was telling Josh what we should think about doing is like a once a year sort of like Rock Solid rig takes on the Rock Solid trail.
Yeah.
That would work. Josh?
How much battery do we have?
Jay, did we lose Josh?
I think he's changing batteries.
Yes, I'm having the worst radio troubles ever in the history of radio troubles.
How much battery do we have?
So,
Oh, I don't
the
know.
pavilion that's up here promising we can do a rock solid rig takes on the rock solid trail, which is that's cool. We should definitely do that, but I believe we should end it by rock solid rig does tank stands at the rock solid picnic pavilion.
I don't know what the battery
I
level
for
is.
that. I just have to work out on my upside down drinking.
No, I think it's still full.
It's about time I get the 5-point harness for singeing.
Yeah, I was looking at the PRP seats the other day for harnesses, and I was like, man, those things are so awesome.
I mean, I really want them, but at the same time, I need it to protect my nipples. Wheeling gets me super excited, my nipples get hard, and my seatbelt starts cutting into it.
Dude, didn't you used to be a runner or something? Don't you know you're supposed to put Band-Aids over those things?
No.
No.
The entertainment never stops.
And you hear Jazz in the background going, oh my god.
You get some pasties and take a picture of it before I put my shirt on.
Oh my god.
I mean, I'm sure there is something we can cut on the cricket that we can make you some rock solid pasties.
Oh.
Put stars over my nipples on a shirt.
That'd be awesome.
Man, that's more difficult when you have 4 nipples, though.
True. I did live in Las Vegas for a while, and I did wakeboard in Lake Mead, you know, nuclear water there. and the damn spider that bit me could not have been radioactive. Come on, seriously? In Las Vegas, I could have been Spider-Man. Don't act like you weren't already slinging web all over Las Vegas. But it never reached the top of the buildings.
Corey's philosophy is a dollar is a dollar.
That's a big ass pipe right there.
We don't know what Corey would do for a Klondike bar, but we definitely know what he'd do for $1 million.
Yeah.
Yeah, but his dollar was like before Biden inflation, so I mean it's got to be at least $1.20 now.
$1.25. Remember? Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
I mean, you can't even go to Dollar Tree anymore and get anything for $1.
I was just saying that the shop was like, you gotta match with Dollar Tree. You know, you can trace their inflation by how much they charge. So now it's $1.25.
It's bad that we're all on the same wavelengths.
You don't have to say I think we've picked not to jinx anything, going down today instead of up everything.
Yeah. I mean, we may be going on it backwards.
Save fuel. I mean,
That is true.
all we've done is use brakes. Well, that we was talking about, AJ, was like this that we found close to Williamsburg with the river like right there, but it's way bigger than that. And there's campsites out in the middle of the woods like this.
Oh yeah, I'll have to show you my footage after a while.
And yeah, I was like, huh.
He's probably like, what the hell?
What the hell?
Well, shit. That was a heck of a time to drop the freaking phone, but you should have seen it when he launched off the top of that mountain at 1,000 feet and 1,000 miles an hour. It's freaking amazing!
Like, this is just a tiny puddle in the Ozarks.
Everything's
It was relatively smooth, wasn't it?
Yeah, it wasn't too bad at all.
Move up.
Oh yeah, I am.
He knows what you're about to do. Don't so Kurt.
Where I just dropped off of, you don't want to hit that going too fast.
Gotta get the views up.
And for that reason, I don't.
What do you think?
Our window didn't get wet. Alright, can we do it again? Alright, that's enough. And listen to the water run out.
It's like white dookie.
Yeah.
Slowly go forward.
I think Cheech and Chong's still following here. Up in smoke or whatever. Ooh, that smell. Ooh, I know what that smell is. I know where it came from.
You go around the corner,
Yeah, and the bigger one.
all of a sudden you see it like.
You know, bears are supposed to live in trees like that. I don't know what kind of time framage.
This is so awesome.
Oh look, they even named the pavilion after us. That's nice of them.
That's a little too much angle.
Supposed to put Vaseline on my teeth or something. It keeps my lips from touching. That way I smile big.
I could imagine being here in the summertime, you know, because the creek is kind of muddied up right now because of the weather, but I'm sure it's probably crystal clear in the summer. Well, that is it for trail number 26. It was really cool. Not like overly super difficult, but I mean, it is a ton of rocks and really slow bouncing up and down over rocks and everything like that. And of course, as you saw, there's tons of water. I mean, the snow is steadily melting. There's still a lot of it out here though, but God, that was a blast. Man, Windrock, Tennessee is like gorgeous, man. I'll tell you what, I wish we lived further up here. But that's it for us. For today. We're gonna get the rigs all back. We're gonna head out here to the highway. It's not a few miles from here. We'll get all aired back up, and then man, we gotta go to the grocery store. We're all starving. So we're out of here. We will see you tomorrow, or well, maybe next week when the video comes out. I don't know, but we will be back out here tomorrow. More trails. Like, subscribe, share. Rock solid rig. A long, long way to go. We'll see you guys out there somewhere.
139.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm saying, versus having to go past Windrock.
Probably la 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 la. There's no music in the background. We cannot hear nothing at all. Nope, 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 nope. Okay. I'm not responsible for the music being played. I had no control over it. See ya later.
Do it again. I don't know. Whatever you guys want. You guys be weird or.
And to you guys, each and every one of you, you are the inspiration as to why we keep doing this. Your comments, your positiveness, your feedback, your just courtesy in taking the time to subscribe to this channel has been insurmountable in making it to become what it is. I never thought I would ever see this day to have so much support. And because of each and every one of you guys giving us a little bit of your time, it is inspiration for us as we still have a long, long way to go.